Welcome, friends. We're back out in the garden. I know it's been a little while since we've been out here, and you can see that the new plantings have really taken off thanks to some sky water. So this is Hedgery. So today we're out here taking stock of what's happened since we pruned. Obviously the growth has been explosive. As you can see, we've got these butternut squashes here really taking off, and they're starting to go all over the place, all around. And here we got, I think that's the cucumbers coming out the side over here, and looks like the squashes over here are doing pretty well, keeping themselves together. But this basil here needs to be pruned again. We're getting some flower heads developing. You can see the tomatoes have really grown since we last saw them, and they're starting to put out more flowers, which makes me feel better, because I was really worried we were not going to get any tomatoes after I pruned them. And this basil plant, wow, look at the size of that, and it's got some more flower heads, so we're going to have to do something about those too. But some of these plants we can't prune, and so we're going to think about how we can bend them, how we can train them, because when we can't prune things, sometimes the best course of action is to change the direction. So an example of that is this squash vine here, which I don't want growing out on the ground where it's going to get mowed, but that means I have to get it up here on the frame, and I have to do it hopefully without breaking the vine, because if I break it, then the whole thing is done. So I have to do it kind of gently. You can see it's already struggling. But now I've got it hooked on here with a little tendril, and hopefully it'll be good to go. And this is a key feature of this training process, the need for us to do it gently. I think it was Dr. King who said, "The arc of history is long, but it bends towards justice." And so whether we're talking about cucumber vines, or getting our family to realize that joke they've been telling isn't really appropriate, it can take time. It can take multiple redirections. It can take a lot of gentle redirection until the tendrils finally grab on to something that can guide them the rest of the way. And there you have it, the art of gentle redirection, whether it's training cucumber vines in the garden or dealing with that, one particular uncle who you can't prune out of your life, but you can't let him run wild either. Before we go, though, I do want to ask you a question that has more than one correct answer. This pepper plant was being strangled by one of the vines. So here's my question. Where in your life is there a behavior or something else that needs pruning or redirecting for you to keep making progress on your path? Think it over and share with us down in the comments. And while you're there, why not like, share, and subscribe? I'll see you next time, but until then, remember, you are Hedgery.